Okay, guys, this is called the quacking duck vibration. I'm gonna go pee if I don't get it. What happens? It makes a fart sound.
It makes a what?
Duck sound.
A duck sound. Does it sound like a duck?
The harder you hold it and pull down, the louder it is. It's like a bell, but rings like a duck. Duck. And the slighter you do it, it's not that loud. The faster and harder you do it,
Okay, now read that thing at the bottom that tells what's happening.
what's going on? As you drag the wet paper towel.
Oh, you can do it with your hand.
The wet paper towel along the string, it makes the string vibrate. The vibration string makes the cup vibrate too, which makes the sound louder. The vibrations are uneven. I don't know. Uneven. So it makes an musical sound.
So, was that fun? Oh, is there more?
There's more, yeah.
Oh.
Rather like a quacking duck. My hand's not strong enough. For my other hand. Ooh.
Alright, close it out.
Hey, guys, so all you need is a cup, a plastic cup, string, pin. Well, the thumbtack left us, and string, and a wet paper towel, and you can make the quacking duck. Bye. Subscribe. Go down in the links. Bye-bye.